Good
Good
morning, Ms.
morning.
Owen.
Good morning.
A crowd has gathered on your behalf. Mr. Keith Stickley is here from the Public Defender's Office. Mr. Daniel Frazan, your probation officer, is here. Prosecutor Angelique Canfield is here, and we've also got someone from the victim advocate team at the prosecutor's office. You got arrested last night on two separate files, 25202 FY. That's a technical probation violation, and I am the judge supervising your probation. You also got arrested in 252597 for a violation of bond conditions and a charge of domestic assault. Judge Pattison is handling that case, and I agreed that I would do both of these bench warrant arraignments this morning. In 252203, you were charged with assault with a dangerous weapon. It was reduced to a misdemeanor charge of domestic assault. You entered a plea and you were placed on probation. Your original attorney in that case was Casey Strong. Your probation officer, as I indicated, Daniel Frazan, is here. In the second case, you were arrested again for domestic assault in December. Attorney Luke Knopfsinger was appointed to represent you. It was set for a jury trial in February. I'm not sure what happened anyway. Then it was set for March 1st, and I'm not sure what happened, but there was not a plea and there was not a jury trial. I understand you got picked up last night in contact with Gregory Owens, who you're not supposed to have any contact with. There's also alleged to be multiple violations of your probation, including no alcohol, no other assaultive behavior. Mr. Frazan, could you join us, please? Five. Daniel, your screen is frozen. I don't know if you can join us. Apparently not. Where did you get arrested last night? Three Rivers?
My neighbor's house.
In Three Rivers?
Yes.
The prosecutor doesn't often show up for these simple misdemeanor bench warrant arraignments, but they feel strongly enough about this one that they are here. Ms. Canfield, what's the prosecutor's position here?
Oh, thank you, Your Honor. Well, my concern is that we're giving or attempting to give Ms. Owens rehabilitative tools that she obviously is not taking advantage of with respect to the alleged probation violation. And additionally, she's violating bond conditions that are also in place. And this involved not only an admission of consuming alcohol again, but an alleged threat to another individual in the presence of the agent. So this is really concerning behavior. And at this point, I'm going to request, or at least think it appropriate, that a higher cash bond be set.
This is one of those moments that can completely change the direction of a case. Notice what the prosecutor is emphasizing here. Not just the alleged new conduct, but the idea that opportunities were already provided and aren't producing results. Courts often look at probation and bond as a chance to demonstrate accountability and stability while a case moves forward. When allegations start including repeated alcohol concerns, missed testing, possible no-contact issues, and new concerns while already under supervision, the conversation shifts quickly from support to public safety and compliance. The technical hiccups in court almost make this feel lighter for a second, but the substance underneath is serious. So here's the question for you. If someone repeatedly violates conditions but says they're trying, should the court keep extending chances or draw a harder line?
Or that it be revoked pending a resolution on the other matter still before the court, the 252597 SM.
All right, Daniel, your screen is frozen and I can't hear you or see you, except a picture of your handsome face staring into space.
I can
darn it.
email him. Let's see if I can get.
Might be able to have them come here and pull up a cherries. Time to go that way.
Yeah, Daniel's frozen. I need his input and I can't see him. So, yeah. Yes. I think it's operator error, but we've got you on the speakerphone. Ms. Owens got picked up last night. Ms. Canfield is requesting that bond be canceled or raised. She's not entitled to a bond in the probation violation case, but I understand that there are some other issues going on. What else is happening here?
Well, she's had several issues with testing. I have 3 positive, 1 dilute, and 1 pending right now. And she has 5 no-shows. And she admits that she's still drinking.
All right, Ms. Owens, I'm going to show a plea of not guilty on the probation violation and appoint an attorney. Your original attorney was Casey Strong. Bond is canceled. Set a PV hearing can next week. In the other case, the one in which you're on bond, I don't need to deal with a bond because it's canceled in the other case. I'm gonna set a bond violation hearing. With attorney Luke Knopsinger. I understand the blood alcohol last night was something like 223. So we're struggling, but you're like a ping pong ball bouncing around. You're not in treatment very well. You're not testing. You're still drinking. You're violating your no contact provisions and allegations. Right now, I just need to hold on to you. So I'm setting both of these for a hearing, probation violation with Daniel. Now, Ms. Canfield, did I also understand there may be another assault charge pending?
I'm going to look and see.
Well, can I ask for what? Why would I have another assault charge?
I don't know. Someone said something to me that may have been another charge pending, so maybe I'm mistaken.
I'm looking, Your Honor.
Okay, again, That's impossible.
The only one that is that domestic violence, which you tried to lead
I
to
don't,
assault.
I'm sorry, Mr. Frazine, what were you saying?
She tried to lead to an assault and battery, but judge would not accept the factual basis, and it got kicked back. And I think that's the 2597 case.
Yes, it is.
Yes,
All right.
that's correct. So there isn't a new one. That's the one that's still pending, Your Honor.
Okay. All right, we're gonna have a probation violation hearing regarding the allegations that you continue to use alcohol in violation of your probation. You refused to test, tested positive. Then there also is an issue regarding your bond conditions, which may be a way to resolve that pending other domestic assault case and filed 252597. I can't tell why it didn't go to trial in March. I don't know. At any rate, Ms. Owens, you need some clean time and we're gonna figure out what's going on here. So I'll get these, I've got 2 lawyers to schedule, Mr. Knopfinger and probably Casey Strong. And we'll deal with both of these matters next week. All right, Daniel, we'll see where we're going with this. Thank you. Ms. Canfield, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right.
By the end of this hearing, the judge's message becomes pretty clear. This decision wasn't centered on one isolated allegation. It was about the overall pattern the court believed it was seeing. The hearing resulted in bond consequences, additional proceedings being scheduled, and a closer review of probation compliance moving forward. The judge repeatedly returned to concerns about testing, alcohol-related allegations, treatment engagement, and alleged violations of court orders. Importantly, no final determination of guilt on pending allegations happened here. This hearing focused on supervision and next legal steps, rather than deciding the underlying case. It's a reminder that in court, repeated concerns can sometimes carry as much weight as a single major event. What do you think? Was the judge making a necessary call to regain control of the situation, or should more time have been given before tightening restrictions? If you found this case as shocking as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns.
All right, you're good to go. Daniel, I'm not sure what's up, but I'll hang up on you.